Hi, welcome back to my myCRMSIM. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your iMessage device. First of all, you need to log into the dashboard, and then you need to visit devices from the side menu, and then you need to go to iMessage devices and click on add device button. You need to download this app from this link. It's not available in App Store. So after downloading, you need to extract it and make sure to install. After installation, you need to open it. And now I will click on I have read and terms and agreements, and now I will click continue. Now I'll go back to my myCRMSIM dashboard and will copy this token, and I'll come back to the app and we'll paste the token here and we'll click on sign in. I need to allow it. So all these permissions are red. It means that we need to provide these. So for that, I'll click on open setting for full disk access and will allow it. I will click and reopen. Now I need to provide automation access as well. I'll click on open setting and we'll open this drop down and we'll turn on both messages and terminal. With that provided, I need to go back to the application and we'll click on grant accessibility for voice note and we'll turn on this toggle. As you can see that all permissions are granted and they are green. So that's it from here. And if you ever face any issues, you can click on instructions and we'll copy this command and install the voice note setup. Make sure to install all of these and follow step by step each command. And if you have issue with disk sleep, you can click on instructions and then you need to run these commands on terminal in order to keep running this application without sleep. The application flight, and now I will go to the dashboard. We'll close this pop-up. As you can see that my device is added. So now I need to assign this device to a sub account. So you need to go to the sub account SIM. Here are my sub accounts. So I will assign to this one and we'll click on this blue plus button. We'll click on assign a new device. We'll select any user you want, and if you want to set it default, so select no user. Then I need to select the device and we'll click assign. As you can see that device is assigned successfully. Now go back to devices and verify that your device has sub account assignment. If your added device is not active, so you need to go to the application and make sure to go to the instructions and prevent disk sleep and run these commands. After that, you need to visit again and check the status. It should say active S. Until you send some messages, it will change to active H. Now device status is active. I need to go to sub account SIM and I need to select the message routing. I need to select iMessage for iMessage device and we'll click on save. That said, now your message routing, sub account and device addition is all okay. Now you can send iMessages, and if the user don't have iMessage device, then SMS will be sent to his device. Thank you.